Friends, UPSC Civils Mains is only 100 days away, and in these 100 days you have to balance your optional with preparation of general studies, all 4 papers as well as essay writing, and you have to balance gaining the knowledge or revising the information that you learned along with the answer writing. So you have to break your time between gaining new information knowledge and revising the existing knowledge information and answer writing. So our test series, Sarat Chandra IAS Academy's UPSC Mains Test series, will be helping you in all these 3 things. There are some unique features we have included in this mains test series to help you balance all the 3. One thing is, we are conducting only 20 exams in next 100 days. These 20 exams would be 8 part tests, 8 full tests and 4 essays. So in the part tests, subject tests, even these part tests are 20 question exams only. So one exam will be only on polity and governance, one will be only on history, one will be only on geography, society of India. Like that, subject wise exams you will have 8 exams, and then you have 8 full exams, GS 1, 2, 3, 4, again GS 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 full exams and 4 essays. So there are 20 exams in these 100 days. And now friends, for each of these questions we ensured that based on the last 3 years of UPSC mains exam pattern, the combination, the mix of the question, based on that composition we have prepared these 20 exams, and they are reviewed by recent rankers and the previous rankers also. So the quality of questions will be according to the last 3 years of UPSC mains exam. Then coming to the model answers. Friends, the biggest problem with the model answer is that whether you can replicate it in the mains. Generally what happens is, in the model answers, mostly the institutions will be dumping the information about their question so that you can learn more, so that you can write the answers related to the topic. Even other questions will come. But our idea is not to dump the information. Our idea is to keep the answer very simple, so that you can actually replicate it in the actual mains examination. If you really want to write the examination, you will be not able to write more than 10 points in the given space of 2 pages for 10 marks and 3 pages for the 15 marks questions. So our model answers will be simple and replicable in the actual mains examination. Then we will be giving you the value added information on each subject. Actually, value added information is something like important reports, commissions, statistics, numbers. For example, in economy, general commissions or reports that you can use, or Niti Aayog Vision 75. Or in polity, it can be important judgments of Supreme Court, High Court judgments, or National Commission for Review of Constitution of India, Justice Venkatachala Commission, or any white papers or law commission reports, important reports, which you can mention your answer. In environment, maybe Gadgil Commission report or any other government acts, schemes that you can directly use in the examination. In the ethics, second ARC, important statements. In the governance of second ARC. In science and technology, any recent government initiatives. So mainly the facts, the reports. For example, if it is fishing, Meena Kumari report, facts, reports, important statistics, important commissions or important papers, anything. So we call this as value added information. For every question, along with the model answer, we will be giving you some keywords, value added information. And for every subject, polity, economy, geography, environment, SNT, we will be giving some value added information. It will be not more than 4 to 5 pages per subject, but those facts or statistics or data or reports, you can directly use in your answers. Generally what happens is, when you look at a question in the mains, you definitely will try to address demand of the question, you will write the answer to the question. But while writing the answer, you have to include these things in order to get additional marks, extra marks. For that, we will be giving you this valid information. Also, the flow charts. flowcharts, diagrams, maps. So it actually brings out your innovation, creativity, and it actually enhances your presentation. It will make the evaluation easier for the evaluator. The visibility of information will be more through these things. So to ensure that you will be able to use these things in your actual answers, in our model answers or in our value information, we will be giving most of the maps, diagrams, flowcharts which are replicable in the mains examination. This is about the model answers. So one is the quality of questions, second thing is the model answers, third is evaluation. Friends, our evaluators are of course expert faculty, experts in those subjects. Along with that, some of the papers will be evaluated by the rankers. This year's as well as previous year's UPSC rankers will evaluate some of your papers, particularly those rankers who scored very high marks in general studies through which they got a rank. They will be evaluating some of your papers. And also after the evaluation there will be personalized attention. So after the evaluation, if you want to discuss about your evaluation, if you have some doubts about the evaluation, you can connect with us. If you are in Hyderabad, Delhi or Vijayawada, you can come to our office, sit with the faculty and clear your doubts regarding evaluation. Or if you are somewhere other than these three places, you can connect on phone. There will be on phone support. On the phone call, you can actually discuss about the evaluation. If you have doubts that why I got so less marks in this question and how I got more marks in this question, so the difference, why you are getting those many marks in those questions will be explained to you by the evaluator, because that depends not only on your knowledge but also how simple and understandable is your answer, particularly style of your answer, style. Because we evaluate not only the knowledge presented by you in the answer but also style of your answer, a style which will make the answer easy to understand, keywords very specifically mentioned, and then where information is diverse and you're able to present matter from different subjects in a coherent way. This will be tested. So evaluation is based on these things. Also there will be grievance redressal. For example, if some of you may think that after the evaluation, some of you may feel that in this paper I may have to get more marks, but this evaluator gave me less marks. For that, if you present your grievance, we will provide for the re-evaluation also. Because generally what happens is, friends, the expectations of the evaluator and the student may not meet sometimes. Students sometimes feel that they might have answered very well according to them, but actual marks may be less. Not only our evaluation, in UPSC evaluation also. In such cases, you can actually bring out your grievance, we will be re-evaluating. Also, the most unique feature is mentor and overall evaluation. Mentor and overall evaluation and timely evaluation. So what is this? Generally, friends, each of your papers will be evaluated by separate evaluator. Polity paper maybe some one evaluator, GS, complete GS2 one evaluator, ethics one evaluator will be there. So that evaluator can give you feedback only on that paper. But along with that, we will be keeping a mentor. For example, every 5 students will have a mentor. This mentor is either an expert faculty or a recent UPSC ranker in the last 3 years. So what they will do is, they will not be evaluating each of your papers, but they will evaluate your progress from one paper to another. So that mentor will be in touch with you. He will tell you how you improved from first to second paper, second to third paper. In the last 4 papers, is there any common mistake that you could not actually change, which you have to change in fact. So this kind of overall evaluation will be done by your mentor. And also, friends, timely evaluation is very important. From the day you write the examination, the evaluated copy will come to you in less than 1 week. Mostly it is 5 days, but in the worst case I am telling you less than 1 week. So timely evaluation will help you understand the improvement that you have to make. Accordingly, the next exam will be better. If you generally do not get timely evaluation, what happens is, you write first exam. Before writing second exam, if you do not know the feedback of first exam, there is no point of writing test series. So we ensure the timely evaluation happens. So friends, in this way, quality question paper, good model answers, personalized evaluation, overall evaluation, there will be a mentor and timely evaluation, and value added material will be provided to you. These are the features of test series that we are launching. and the schedule of test series you can find in your website, and in the description below you can see the schedule and the syllabus for each of the exam and the dates. Make use of this. All the best.